We have an equation of a line here in standard form. 7x minus 4y equals negative 36. How do we get this to slope-intercept form so that we can easily graph it? Easy. Use our knowledge of solving equations and get that y by itself, isolate that y, set up the equation so that you get y equals. Here's how. I have 7x minus 4y on the left side, negative 36 on the right side. So I'm going to get rid of that 7x to get my negative 4y by itself. So how do I get rid of this 7x? Subtract 7x from both sides, minus 7x. Now my 7x's cancel out over here. I'm left with negative 4y equals negative 36 minus 7x. Okay. Now, I need to get this y by itself. It's being multiplied by a negative 4. So in order to get it by itself, I have to get rid of that negative 4 by dividing by negative 4. But when I do that, I have to divide both sides of the equation by negative 4. So I take this side of the equation, divide by negative 4. Now over here, I can divide this whole thing by negative 4, but it might be easier to do it separately. So instead of dividing that whole thing by negative 4, I take my negative 6, divide by negative 4. I take my negative 7x, divided by negative 4. So I just basically took all my three terms, took each term and divided by negative 4. Now over here, my negative 4 cancels out, and lo and behold, I have y equals. Now, with negative 36 divided by negative 4, that's going to be positive 9. And I have negative 7x divided by negative 4. We can just leave that as a fraction. Negative over negative, that gives you positive. So that's going to be plus 7 over 4x. Okay? And we see we have y equals mx plus b. We can rearrange it a little bit. Y equals 7 over 4x plus 9 to get it in that familiar form. My slope is 7 over 4. My y-intercept is 9. And now we can go ahead and take this and graph it just like we would graph any other line.